Today I'm going to show you how to use chain and gemstone chips in your earring design. The supplies you will need are some gemstone chips. If you have any gemstone chips laying around, this is a good way to use them. I'm using ametrine, citrine, and garnet. I have one small 4mm freshwater pearl, a yellow crystal, a 5mm jump ring, and I cut a piece of chain with 7 links on it. I also have an earring wire. For tools, you'll need flush cutters, chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and bent chain nose pliers. You will also need headpins. I have 2-inch headpins, and these are 24 gauge, and I have 9 of them. We're going to start with our wire wrap. I'm starting with my headpin, and I'm going to put my gemstone through each headpin. I'm also going to put my freshwater pearl on and my crystal. Before I start wire wrapping, I marked my round nose pliers with a red tip Sharpie so I can get consistent loops on all of my wrapped wires. Okay, let's start wire wrapping. I'm going to start with the ametrine. I'm going to come in with my chain nose pliers, come to the top of the crystal, bring the wire to the back with my thumb, switch out my pliers, use my round nose pliers right at the mark that I made, and bring the wire up, over the barrel, and down. Then I'm going to rotate my pliers and bring the wire to the back. And I'm going to leave it like this because I need to open this door to attach my chain. So I'm going to keep going on with all of my gemstones, doing it the same way. I'll show you how to do that again. Pliers at the top of the gemstone, push the wire to the back, switch out my pliers, bring it at the mark, bring my wire up, over, down, rotate my pliers, and bring my wire to the back. So I will continue on, and then I'll meet you back here. I have all my gemstones partially wire wrapped, including my crystal and my little pearl. So I'm going to start with my chain. I'm going to start at the bottom with a garnet. So let's do the first one. We're going to take our chain nose pliers, pinch the loop that we made, and we're going to open the door. Then I'm going to slide my chain on, until it's connected. And once it's connected, I'm going to pinch down the loop that I made, and I can use my fingers and wire wrap around 3 times. Then I'm going to cut off the excess. And I'm going to pinch down my burr. Okay, it looks like the next link that's connected is an ametrine. So I'm going to get my ametrine, Find the loop that I made, pinch that loop down, and open the door. Now I'm going to add the link, the second link from the bottom. Add that right to it. I'm going to pinch down my loop and wire wrap around with my fingers. Cut off the excess. And pinch down the burr. Next one up is citrine. So let's pinch it down, open the door, and add the next link. Holding onto the loop, I'm going to wire wrap around, cut off the excess, and pinch down my burr. I'm going to continue on alternating colors until I get to the top, and then we'll do the little pearl and the crystal. Now we can put this together. I've opened up my jump ring. I'm going to add the pearl. Then I'm going to add the last link on the top and add my crystal and add my earring wire. Then I'm going to close it up. And there you have your beautiful gemstone and pearl dangle earrings. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.